Hi, I'm Henry of Henry's Themes, and welcome to my second video tutorial. So today we're going to talk about your navigation bar and how to tweak it with the code. So get your test sites ready, and let's begin. Okay guys, this is your nav bar. See, you have blog, photos, reviews, and if you click on photos, that's where you see your photo album, and reviews, that's where you see whatever movie or book you've reviewed. I'm going to show you where to tweak that in the code. Okay, so let's go back to home, and then let's click on customize my site. There you go. And then let's go to custom CSS. So you'll see the code there. There you go. Now my CSS box is open. You see a bunch of code right there. I'm going to drag it down a little bit. If you're using Firefox or Safari, you'll see these buttons underneath where you can just stretch the CSS box, so you get to see more code than you normally can. See, I'm stretching it down. And this is the code for your nav bar. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a text decoration here. See, I'm going to type text dash decoration. I'm going to make it blink so you see what's going on. See, not a lot of people use this, so keep that in mind. You may want to experiment with this on your site. So whoops, don't forget, it has to be semicolon at the end of blink. And we're going to press preview, very important button, so you know what you've changed. And the site's loading already. And there you go. See, your nav bar is now blinking. The one you're on, home, is not, but the one that you have to go to is blinking. That's the second. That's the code that we tweaked. See? There you go. Now let's go back to your CSS box. See, there are a lot of values you can change here. For example, there's color. You can also change like the font size as well. I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to show you font variant. Alright, so after font size, I'm going to type font dash variant. There you go. And we're going to make it small caps so that the change is very obvious when you see it. Alright, now let's press preview again. Let's go back to my test site. That's loading. It's loading. There you go. And there. Not only is it blinking, but it's also small caps. Right? And that's how you tweak the code. Now there are a lot of values you can change here. You can change basically the color value. You can change the font weight. There's a lot. I'm going to add some tips at the text box of this video. So this is the code for the site that you have, the place you have to visit, and this is the one that you're on, the page that you're on. If it's home, and that's the one that you tweak. So I'm gonna put on save. All right. Always do that if you're already happy with what you have. Put it on save, and I'm gonna show you. There you go. And that's the changes I've made to my nav bar. So I hope this lesson was very informative to you. So I hope to catch you again in my next video tutorial. See you around, multiply, and one love.